Sewa Amiye has been called to the bar.
Ababa.
Yeah.
Ababa. Be specific.
And blue kiosk.
Blue kiosk.
I mean the Ghana Bar Association.
Oh, it that can pay baby bomb Anna.
The white.
Yeah, I don't think.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yes, yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.
Hello, beautiful people. Once again, welcome to your favorite channel, right? Of course, today we get news for you. The matter where they trend today, a big past me and my guest. Yeah, very big one. Because, I mean, when you are talking about big BIG, right? Bar,
Yeah.
big bar, not a drinking bar. They call lawyers to the Ghana Bar Association. That's what we did here this afternoon. Today, of course, my name is PKB. And I have a guest. Her name is Mamiese Nyameche.
Yeah.
She will do a quick intro for us, and then we'll go straight into about, the 800 lawyers who have been called to the bar. Some interesting personalities are part. We'll go into that. By the meantime, I'm missing Amiche. Let us know who you are, where you are coming from, and where you represent.
Okay, so the name is Mamiese Nyameche, and I'm the host of the Lockdown on Plus 89.9 FM. And from where I'm from Bermanesi. I'm in the Central Region.
Okay.
Yeah, body my bro.
Fancy.
Yeah, fancy.
Them channel here, it's for fun to so.
Oh, them are?
Yeah.
Oh,
and
okay. And it's big ups to Ian Fancy for now.
Yeah. Of course. We are not here alone. We have Director Gray in the card. Of course, DJ Parkerich himself is behind the scenes making sure we bring you solid production. And so straight to the topic that's trending. Sewa Amiye has been called to the bar.
Ababa.
Yeah.
Ababa. Be specific.
Blue kiosk.
Blue kiosk.
I mean the Ghana Bar Association.
Okay.
Over 800 lawyers have been called to the bar today, and they had a ceremony at the Accra International Conference Center. Sewa Amiye was there. I mean, she's been training the whole of today.
Yeah.
Because no one saw it coming. Me, I didn't even know she was in a law school. Did you know?
No, I didn't. That's the truth. I didn't.
You didn't know?
I didn't.
So now her name is Joy Sewa Amiye Esquire.
Esquire. Very necessary.
I think it's ESQUIRE.
Yeah.
Do you know the meaning?
Yeah, so an Esquire is somebody who has gone through the necessary procedures to become a lawyer. Okay, yeah, so you've graduated to become a lawyer. That's an Esquire.
Before you get a license to become a doctor, or before you be called a doctor, you can't be called a doctor.
Yeah.
So if you go to the process before they give you the title
Doctor. So exactly that's what they've gone through. So they are
engineer.
they are like legalized attorney who have gone through the ranks, everything to become lawyers. Exactly.
Do you have the dream of becoming a lawyer at some point?
Yes, because of the pictures.
Yeah, pictures. How?
PKB.
Like you want to take nice pictures?
Have you seen the kind of pictures they take?
Charlie, crazy you.
I don't know if it is like I think it is the trend because Obia Bebanache the picture no or a gum makeup on point, miss your phone, no snatch or snatch. Na white bokum. Akabari say oh, it that can pay baby bomb comb. Anna.
The white.
Yeah, I don't think.
But today, the big question with the ask is say, why say be like everybody want 10 lawyer? Mami Nyameche.
Yeah.
Everybody like see if you check records every year they call lawyers to the Ghana Bar Association. 2023 numbers. We boss my mind to now 1,000 lawyers. I'm asking where are they? Like, are there a lot of law firms like that to be employing all these lawyers every year?
I think Obi Ohonoma, the person just wants to become a lawyer for themselves. And you remember now, Chalobi in Sumi fan brand and fan. So mostly in Obi Ohonoma pede brand get to know Obi and Papa be Ochuman super so.
But do they make that much money? Because
oh, I think they do because the last time me call lawyer be in the office.
How do they make their money?
What do case mawa? What do case mawa? Only a crab, but then what charge with that? Yeah.
Okay, now, so the question is, you'll be there, like, why? It looks like is the place almost everyone wants to be now. Everyone wants to become a lawyer, either becoming a lawyer to go into politics or become a lawyer, like you are saying, for themselves. A lot of them are. See, Kojo Oponkroma is a lawyer.
Yeah.
A lot of
celebrities. Yeah.
Sewama is not the first one for this year.
No.
We have John Dumelo's wife, who is a lawyer.
Yes.
We have this year's group, Fela Makafu is manager.
Yes. Richmond
Amofa.
Yeah.
He's also a lawyer.
Yeah. So
why are we becoming more lawyers? Meanwhile, we are not having enough engineers, enough like. See, I just Google the number of engineers in Ghana. I'm missing Jamiche.
Oh, I only know of one.
You only know of one engineer.
Engineer Kwame, yeah.
Look what AI. Look what AI is telling me.
AI says what?
AI is telling me that Ghana has several thousand practicing engineers with at least 125 professional engineers inducted into the, which was just in August 2025. Look at that number.
But we didn't
this same year we have 800 lawyers, but engineers only 125.
125.
Like why?
It's sad.
Meanwhile, we need more innovations in this country to solve problems that we have.
You see, the thing I have observed personally in the PKB, people are into for the talks. So obi kasa yebun, but then so being kasa, na say all your practical ones na yebuni them. So that is what I've observed. So obi koye kwan, like if somebody fixed the road and then we have a problem with the road, I don't know why it wouldn't be a problem there. You need obi oba correct problem. Today you construct a road, but then you are gutters. But we are not concerned about that one. But we are concerned about people who would just talk and then, oh, the law is working for us. Sad.
Charlie, but see, on a more serious note, like, I don't know, but see, even me at some point, I had a dream of becoming a lawyer.
Hey.
In fact, the dream is still there. Just say money no day. But if we go be lawyers. If we go 10 lawyers, who go 10 engineers, the software engineers, the mechanical engineers. Just say nobody want the mechanic.
I know. Sometimes will be kind of story be true. I say an engineer, the person's an engineer, but then they can't say, you know, afraid mechanic don't be solved, man.
Look at that. And I don't know, but lawyers. But anyway, congratulations to them. Like, you know.
Oh yeah.
Sewame here, Rich Sewame here. And who this year, who was the best?
The overall best student.
Yeah, overall best student.
Okay, so Teya, I hope I didn't remember the name. Teya Fuseni. The former Sagnarigu is a member of parliament. Yes. The daughter.
Neighbor. Oh, okay.
Yeah. On and off our overall best student.
Charlie, this one is sharp brain.
Oh yeah, Charlie.
What been today?
What been the banshee? Yeah.
What been today?
Banshee.
I mean, congratulations to all of them.
Yeah.
And one special scene also occurred that's been trending on the socials is one fine gentleman, I mean, who is in a wheelchair was also part of the grad ones.
Wow.
Can we call them grad ones?
Yeah, they are.
We can't call them grad ones.
They are lawyers, esquires.
They're lawyers, esquires.
Yeah.
Yes, he was part. Let's go and check the video.
Let's check the video.
Yeah. You know, our new lawyer
But
in a wheelchair.
who put the song behind it?
I'm sure, you know, social media, at least you need to put something under it. Inspirational music to inspire the people watching. Basically.
Lord, I'm amazed.
So, Mami Esinyamche, that's a
Aww.
gentleman. He seems excited? Or
He's
tired?
excited, he's tired, he's flabbergasted.
This one, I sure maybe some DB way they push him, so make it.
Eh?
Oh.
No.
Well, we just might don't know.
Yeah.
So, guys, those are some of the new lawyers that are out who have joined the Ghana bar, have been called. They don't join. They have been called.
One thrower.
If they don't call you, you go finish law school. They don't go call you.
I think at this point I need the white Alonte. I want to be called.
So these are fine lawyers who have been called to the bar this year. I mean, that's Sewame here.
Yeah.
Madam Fuseni,
Teya.
Mr. Richmond, Amofa.
Yeah.
And
Many other ones. You can't mention all.
Yeah, we can't mention all.
Yeah,
A lot of
I've
them.
seen people in the media space also
Yeah.
taking.
Yes, one TV3 guy, John Akable.
Yeah.
From TV3.
I think 622 has been called. He's with 3FM. Yeah. He's a
Yeah,
producer.
yeah.
But then,
Yeah.
actually,
And it looks like nowadays a lot of the media folks want to become lawyers too.
yeah.
It is becoming a
one
trend,
of the
actually.
things I want to do to protect myself.
To protect yourself.
Know the law.
Not to become a politician, chop our money.
No,
Hey.
to protect myself.
Are you
It's
sure?
good to know the law. People tell us that if you're of the knowing of what is around you, especially when it comes to the law, you're covered. Yeah.
I mean, I get feelings a lot of them want 10 lawyers good day when a parliament's there, you know.
I put
It's the
it to you, I
easiest
put
way
it to you.
It's the easiest way to become an MP or to be in parliament. And then the next thing, of course,
PKB.
you'll be rich.
Now you got to some name.
That's the thing.
Yeah, quine.
I mean, why do you all want to become lawyers? Let's see you in the comment section. Why does everybody want to become lawyers? We need more engineers. Why won't we become
Now
engineers?
we don't even celebrate.
innovators?
There were people in IT.
Check. I
How
don't
many?
think we even
How
have
many do we
enough.
see them?
You know?
Do we have them?
Look at that. 125 engineers graduating this year. And we have 800 lawyers graduating this
I only
year.
know of one
Oh, Charlie.
engineer.
I think
Dumante.
the lawyers, who?
Engineer Dumante.
He's an engineer.
Yeah, he's an engineer.
I
Kwame Edumante.
Oh, okay.
That's the only engineer I know.
Greetings to our boss.
Yeah.
Kwame Dumate, engineer.
You know one?
Yeah, I know him.
Okay.
Guys, so we're asking you, why are all of us becoming lawyers, not engineers? Tell us why. If you have any opinion on that, you can share that with us on our comment section space. Mamisi has shared hers.
Yeah.
So we are looking at to get to know, why all of you want to become lawyers, not engineers, not software engineers, mechanical engineers, IT experts, or other fields. Chale. Yeah. How much money did they make? How much?
The lawyers, they make money.
How much?
Oh, the last time we missed McCoy, what's it? Mnasem Nankoji be 6,000.
6K before he would take your case.
Yeah, before the case. On a condemn way.
Charlie, then the people did make money.
Then they make money. Some can charge
Even
as much as 30,000
per session, like per case.
per case. 30,000.
Say, okay, I want to handle your case. Keke, then what you say,
Yeah,
and
30,000.
if the case keeps, it's in motion, it's in process.
Oh, some will tell you that, okay, for the entire period, I'm charging maybe 100,000 till I'm done with you.
Ha!
Yeah.
That's 1 billion cedis per case. So if in a year, you know, there are a lot of divorce cases, right? People are divorcing. If you become a divorce lawyer, I'm sure you'll be having a lot of money because people bring cases to you to solve
It's the
it.
latest trend.
And then you'll be getting your cut in it. So let's say I'm a divorce lawyer or Sewame has become a divorce lawyer. We are it's just a scenario we are creating. We are not saying that Sewame is a divorce lawyer. Please, she's not. It's just a scenario we are giving. And then she gets about like 10 cases in a year. And she's able to charge like 100,000 per case. Oh, wow.
I just did a quick research here. So initial consultations sometimes take, if like you're a senior counselor, 10 years plus, you could take like 2,000, 1,500. And for junior ones, they can take like 1,000,
Dollars or
1,500.
cedis?
Oh, I'm seeing Ghana cedis.
Ghana
here.
cedis.
But then some also charge hourly.
That's a consultation pay.
Yeah, consultation, initial.
Charlie, man, no. I be like, I have to change my job from content creation to make a go law school.
Yeah.
Hey,
And then some litigation cases, maybe bail application and all that, they are charging maybe 2,500 to 15,000,
Just to
depending
talk
on the
to you.
severity of it. Yeah.
hey, Lord.
Lord,
Bro,
I'm
if you change your profession,
I want to be a lawyer.
the director is away, but we go manage her like that, guys. If it is because of the money and the politics, that's why people are doing law, dear. We beg you. We need more engineers. We beg you. We need other fields in this country. If we all become lawyers and we are all in parliament, who will do the rest of the job?
That's the
Mami
issue.
Nyamche.
That's the
Anyway,
issue.
Any final words before we wrap up on the episode?
I want my child to be a lawyer because of the pictures.
You want your child to be alive because of the pictures. Maybe you should become the lawyer first so that your child will get an inspiration from there, and then
But you know, funny enough, I don't even have lawyer friends.
you don't have lawyer friends.
Oh, I don't.
Oh, Charlie.
So please, my friends, start so that I can join in. But then, on a more serious note, I want to be a lawyer because I think if you know the
But
ins and outs of
That's
law,
you are even saying cry that you need to know the ins and the outs of the law before you can learn that the constitution is there. You can learn it.
yes, but then you know, even the constitution is just the basics. Yeah, it's just the basics.
Charlie. So
I want to learn the law to know the ins and outs, so that if somebody does anything to me, with the Mbraberry, no.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right, guys. So I mean, thank you so much for coming on this episode.
Thank you. It's a
Yeah,
pleasure.
she'll be here as often as possible because she's part of the team.
Yeah.
And so yeah, always look out for Mami Nyamche. And guys, let's see in the comment section. Of course, keep up with this episode. Tell us why you are all becoming lawyers and not engineers, because I mean the politics money, we all want to have a bite, but here we are. So guys, enjoy until we see the next episode. That's everybody. Yeah,
Peace out.
Yeah, Erica, adios.
Adios.
Wrap up for us. Let's go.
Okay, guys. So that's it for today. Catch you on our next episode. Adios.
Adios. Adios.
I don't want peace. I don't want peace. I want problem. I want problem. Always.
You get it? You get it? If you don't get it, forget it. If you don't get it. Yeah. How can you tell me this story?
All the lie. All the lie. All the lie. You said all the lie.
Power to the rich.